Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we're going to take a look at the second issue of the Big 5 series. So this is number 1 of the second issue and this is the first time that this coin's ever been pressed. This is very exciting. It is the 1/4 ounce gold elephant. So those of you that will know the Big 5 series, it was a very popular series from the South African Mint. And the elephant is the first in that series. Look at this little guy. Very exciting. First time that a 1/4 ounce gold has ever been pressed in this Big 5 series from the South African Mint. On the front there, you can see a lovely portrait of an elephant. Looking very strong there. You've got South Africa Big 5 and the South African coat of arms. And this has to be one of the best verses ever designed, in my opinion. Very cool. You've got 2 halves of an elephant there. And of course, you've got your 50 Rand, 1/4 ounce there as well. But one of the coolest thing about this verse is when you line them up all together, you get a herd of elephants. I thought I'd just bring these 2 coins in to show you a great example. This is the 1 ounce silver proof version, and this is the 1 ounce silver brilliant uncirculated. But just for this particular example, for the obverse of the coin, you've got one here, one there, put them together, and then you've got your elephant in the middle. Really, really cool there. Let's pop that down for a second there. Bring the box back in. Give our certificate a little look-see. South African Mint, of course. Little note in there, and here's all of our stats on this particular coin. Only 2,000 pieces. That's crazy. Very cool. Very nice. Well, a lovely product from the South African Mint, and very exciting that we are now seeing a 1/4 ounce gold. It's got to be a standout for collectors. Look at that one. The detail on this is amazing. Great job.